Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brandon and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe so you can always be updated when I put out a new video, which is every week. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to tie a tie. The tie knot that I will be teaching you is called the 4-in-hand knot, which is probably the easiest one to learn and the most common one. So for anybody who doesn't really wear a tie or just needs to wear one for school or for any kind of event that you're going to, this is the one that you want to wear. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright guys, now the first thing that you want to do is get your shirt, button it all the way up to the neck, and you want to flip your collar up. And then you want to grab your favorite tie and put it around your neck. You want the fat end to be on your right hand, and you want the skinny end to be on your left hand. So fat end right side, skinny side left side. Okay? Now, as far as like how you want it to how long you want it to be, you don't want the fat end to be too short like this, and you don't want it to be even. Let me step back. You don't want it to be even. You want the long end, you want the fat end to be down here, and the skinny end, I like to put it in between, you know, somewhere in the middle of the stomach. That's just how I like to do it, so it's a lot easier. At the end, I'll show you guys. So for the 4-in-hand knot, the first thing you want to do is grab your tie. Okay, now you got your right hand. You want to put that over the skinny one, over your left hand. So now you're going to be holding it just like this. Okay? Now you want to take that same, the fat end that was in your right hand, you got it over. Now you want to bring it under like this. Okay? Now you have it out like that. Okay? And you're still holding on to this knot right here. So you bring it over like that. Then you're going to bring that same right hand, the one that's in your right hand, the fat end, you're going to bring it over one more time, okay? Now you created a little bit of a loop, and always hold on to this knot right here. Now it's switched. Now you got the fat end on your left hand, and you got the knot and the skinny one on your right hand. Now, almost done guys. Now, take that fat end and your left hand, bring it around up through the tie like this, okay? Boom. While still holding on to that knot, okay? Now that loop that we just made right here, that loop, take that fat end and put it through that loop while still holding on to the knot. So you bring it on through, bring it on all the way through, okay? Now you guys can see you pretty much created the tie. You pretty much created it. Now all you gotta do is just kind of tighten it up to whatever your liking is, and then bring it right on up, all the way up to your neck. And then flip your collar over. And then boom. Now this is not supposed to be 100% symmetrical ties. It's supposed to be kind of a more casual tie knot. And boom, there you go guys. And you can kind of play with it, you know, make it however you want it to be. Place it wherever you want. If you want it to be more in the middle like that. And then one more little trick guys, you want to put the skinny in that little tie loop that comes on the ties. If I can get it. Just keeps it from, you know, this showing off the side like that. And then boom, there you go, that's how you tie the tie. Also guys, you might have to practice a few times before you're able to get it. Just keep watching the video and keep practicing. You guys will get it. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.